Hello there. This is the video instructions for Latin America project number 2. I hope you guys are having a good week and had a good Valentine's Day. So for this project, you're going to start by clicking on the link for Edpuzzle, City of Tanachalan, and you'll watch that video, and that will be recorded. Your grade will be recorded on Edpuzzle for that first part of your assignment. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to select the Latin America project number 2 Google Doc. This will open into your own copy, so you will have a copy of this. It should have your name up here at the top. And you'll see here your task. You can read the big idea yourself, but the task is you're going to research elements of the Aztecs, and you're going to practice your writing skills by completing a word sort. So you're going to use Odyssey-ware, as well as these two sources down here at the bottom, to research 10 different terms. Now, where you do that research is up to you. You can kind of just jot it on a piece of paper if you want. You could put it into your Google Doc to start before you figure out how you want to write. But you need to figure out what the 10 terms are and what they mean in terms of the Aztec culture and civilization. Then you'll use that information from your 10 terms to write a summary. The summary should be written in complete sentences and paragraph form. Okay, that's an important part. Think of it like you're writing an introduction to the Aztec civilization in like a book. All right, it's a summary. You're going to kind of tell us a little bit about the Aztecs, but you have to incorporate your 10 terms in your summary. Do not, and this is an important thing, do not just list, this is not a vocabulary activity. So you're not going to just write the word and then next to it write a definition. That's not learning how to write a summary. That's just you defining the words. You need to write your summary by making connections between the terms and how it impacts all of our look at the Aztec civilization and culture. Make sure you paraphrase. Do not just copy and paste whole sentences and sections from Odyssey-ware that include the word or on the sites, because then it's going to be plagiarized and you won't get credit for it. So you need to paraphrase things in your own words. And then when you're finished, make sure you either underline or highlight the words you used, and then you'll turn in your Google Doc that'll have your summary. So right down here is where your 10 terms are. Here are the words. There are more than 10 there. All right, there are 15. So 5 of them you don't have to use. Pick whatever 10 you want. And then right below here in this space, you will start writing your summary. Make sure before you're done, you underline or highlight them. And make sure you don't just write the word in the definition. You're going to pick your 10 words and then figure out how they go together. And you don't want to just use the word without creating any context. I should be able to read your word sort, and I should feel confident that you know what those words mean because you've used them in the correct way to describe the Aztec people and civilization. So that's what you'll do for this assignment. You will turn in the Edpuzzle video. You will turn in your Google Doc, which is your word sort. The last thing you'll do is watch this video, which is about what happened to the Aztecs. There's nothing you have to submit with that. That one you just watch on your own. And then when all 3 of these are finished, you will go into Odyssey-ware and make sure you turn in Latin American project number 2 so that I know you're finished and I can come back into Google Classroom and Edpuzzle and grade the things that I need to finish your assignment grade. So thank you very much, and if you have questions, feel free to check in with me. Have a great week. See you guys.